Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is the tutorial about how you can buy Bloktopia, and the current price is 8 cents and it has increased by 6%. The Bitcoin has crashed and still it is positive. That's a big thing, and I am going to show you how you can buy it. There are some exchanges. It is not on Binance, not Coinbase, so it is on the Gate.io. Once you click on Gate.io, I have given link of Gate.io in description and pinned on the comment section as well. If you deposit $200 or more than $150, you will get a sign up bonus of $50 with my referral link, which is pinned in the comment section and in description as well. So once you are here, if you don't have account, I told you can create with my link. If you have, you can just log in, and then what you need to do is you can search Blok, which is its symbol, Bloktopia. And once you are here, what you need to do is you can just scroll down, and here's option of login and sign up. Once you have login, here will be option of buy, not sell. So what you need to do, like I am typing 500 USD, and you can see I will get around 5,779 Bloktopia for 500 USD. You can type $100, $50, $10, $20, whatever you want to, but yeah, you can buy with that link as well, and you will get the sign up bonus if you sign up with my link. So link in description. So yeah, you can sell the same way as well. It's very easy, and you can buy some other cryptocurrencies as well. It is Gate.io is the sixth biggest exchange in of cryptos all over the world. So it is one of the big exchanges. It's not big as Binance, it's not big as Coinbase exchange, it's not big as some other exchanges, but it is at the sixth number. So that's a massive number for any exchange all over the world as well. It has all the cryptocurrencies which you can buy on Binance. So yeah, I recommend doing that on this exchange as well. So yeah, this was the video. Let me show you the mobile, how you can buy in the mobile variant. But yeah, it will be the same. You can download this application and sign up. I will provide you the sign up link, and you will sign up with the link, and download the application and just log in with that, and you can buy the Gate.io. You can buy the Bloktopia in the Gate.io. So yeah, this was the video. I hope so you have smashed the like button, subscribe to the channel, press bell icon as well if you find this tutorial helpful. So see you next time. Bye.